In order to add an announcement to your course, you want to navigate to announcements on the left-hand side. Once you get there, you'll click plus announcement. And here's where you create your new announcement. You'll give it a title, and this will be the first thing that students see. So maybe I'll write test tomorrow. And then all the details of your announcement go here in the rich content editor. You have all of the options you always have in the rich content editor, as well as the option to add a file to this if you want to. I recommend keeping your announcements probably pretty simple. And if you're going to put a lot of details in, those should probably be in a page or assignment in your modules. You also have a few options down here, like delaying your posting, so you can schedule a specific date that it posted at. You can allow students to comment, and you can allow students to like your post. Once you've chosen your options, if you click Save, you'll see that announcement will be right there for you to edit under Announcements. But if you go to your home page, now that announcement is visible at the top of the screen. If you don't see your announcement at the top of your screen, you want to update that in your course settings, and you can go back to the course settings video and catch on to how you need to take care of that. So right now, I would challenge you to go ahead, log into Canvas, and make sure that you know how to create an announcement and have it be visible at the top of your screen.